Assalamualaikum friends, here is Happy New Year wishes 2023. These five are After Effects. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri escape buy of a lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, and last is join my Telegram channel. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, open in Adobe After Effects. You see here you can change anything. Happy New Year. You can put your own logo. Here is Inverto or your website. Okay, add it here, extract this one, and logo name or your name. Okay, tagline, your name is here. Okay, or your logo. Here is Inverto. You can put your own logo and write anything. I know you can do easily. Render option is here. Add to render queue. Okay, you can save it. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.